Hello and welcome to Instant Earn. Today I'm going to show you how to find your PIN in Roblox. First, go to your Roblox app. Make sure you are logged in. Press the More button on the bottom right corner. Scroll down and go to Help and Safety. Press the Help button. And you're going to scroll down until you see the I forgot the PIN. You're going to press that and press the contact form text in blue. And this is what's gonna pop up. And you're gonna put the information that needs to be input on these boxes. After that, you're gonna do the issue details next. And you're gonna select whatever device you are on. I'm currently on Android phone. Next is you're gonna select a help category. You're gonna press the account hacked or can't log in. Tap the please select button and press forgot password. And the last step is you're going to type in your issue on the box, and after that, you can press continue. That's all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.